Hi, I'm Allison Winteroth, and I wanted to share with you 5 things that I like to use in my photography that gives interest and color and makes them fun and different. So I have 5 things that you can find around your house or find very easily to add some fun and interest to your images. Everything is going to be linked below, so if you want to pick them up and you don't have them around your house, you absolutely can. First thing is a stocking. This is just a stocking that you can find in any drugstore, or you might have some already. I personally like to put them over my lens so that you have a beautiful kind of otherworldly looking image, very vintagey. If you don't want it completely blurry or kind of soft focus, you could cut a hole in the center of the stocking and shoot directly through that, and then the exterior of your image is going to be really soft and beautiful. So that is one way to use those. The next item I really like is these pipe cleaners, and what I will do is make them into a circle, and then I will actually shoot right through them just like this. So it creates a colorful frame. You want to hold it close to your lens so it's really out of focus. If you hold it out, then it becomes more about the pipe cleaners and less about what you're photographing. You do want to be careful because these do have metal in them and they can scratch your lens. So make sure you use a lens filter so you don't end up regretting that decision. The third item is a straw. These aren't great for the environment, but I do save them when I go out and get one. And I picked up a fun assortment of colors, and what I will do is just pick some colors that I really think will go with the image or that I like together. I hold them up close, and then I just position them around my lens until I have something that looks really cool. So one thing you want to think about is an image that has a lot of light so that the light will shine through the straws, looks really good. And you want to think about what colors are in your image so you end up with really beautiful mix of colors. The next item is just this cellophane. That is a colorful kind of cellophane. You can use this in gift wrapping, and you can pick this up. They have them on Amazon. This is 2 colors. I have a red and a yellow put together, so it kind of makes an orange. Sometimes I'll kind of double it up. Sometimes I'll just do one of them. They make this in all different kinds of colors. I just carry this around in my bag. Sometimes it just adds a little bit of color like to the bottom of the image. Sometimes I shoot directly through it. Sometimes I crumple it up so that it gives just a little bit of light and interest to the image. And it has some really cool effects. It's going to be very out of focus and blurry and fun. So don't expect a print-worthy portrait to come out of that because it is very hazy when you shoot through it. And last but not least, I have printed out, I took these digital, this was like a digital purchase that I found on Creative Market. It was just different ombre colors, and I printed them on a postcard from Shutterfly or whatever printer you use. You could use your home printer too. And they are all different colors, and so what I'll do is I'll shoot a double exposure that allows me to photograph my subject first, and then I fill my frame with this color, and whatever color it works with, then it allows me to have that color in the image as part of the image. So this works best when you're shooting in really bright light and you have silhouettes. So that means that typically the background will be white and the subject will be black. But if you use this as a double exposure, then the subject itself will not be black. It'll be purple and pink, or it'll be green or orange or whatever. They are all so different and fun, and they turn out beautiful. You should see images popping up as this video goes along that shows you different examples of everything I just talked about. As I mentioned, it is linked below, and I would love it if you would subscribe to this channel so you can see more videos just like this. Thanks so much.